Live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if it was no past. Do